We are going to use this example to illustrate the significance of the order of transformations of a parent function. The standard order of transformation is doing dilation first, followed by translation. This is the case for both horizontal and vertical. In this example, we have the parent function f of x equals x cubed. First, we do the horizontal dilation by a factor of half. That is to replace every x by 2 of x. That is horizontal dilation by half. You are replacing every x by 2 of x. Next, we do horizontal translation by half. That is to replace every x by x minus half from the previous function. You can see that every x from the previous function is replaced by x minus half. That is the horizontal translation by half. Now we arrived at intermediate function we call it h of x. That is after the horizontal dilation and translation of the parent function f of x, which gives you 2x minus 1 cubed. That is what you wanted. Before we move on to the vertical transformations, and here is a non-standard order of horizontal transformations. That is doing horizontal translation first, followed by horizontal dilation. This is what you will do. You start with f of x equals x cubed. You will followed by horizontal translation by 1. You will get x minus 1 cubed. You are doing so by replacing x by x minus 1. And this is horizontal translation by 1. And next, you will do horizontal dilation by a factor of half. You will get 2x minus 1 cubed. You did so by replacing every x in the previous function by 2x. And this is a horizontal dilation by half. Now you can see that we arrived at the same intermediate function h of x by first doing horizontal translation of the parent function, then followed by dilation of the function. You arrived the same result as before for this h of x. I want to emphasize that for the AP class, the standard way of horizontal translation and dilation to get h of x is to first do the dilation of factor of 1 over b, followed by the horizontal translation of h. So in this example, you must be able to rewrite this function as 2 times x minus half. So that way, your dilation will be 2. And your translation h is half unit. So that's for the horizontal transformations. Once you have done h of x equals 2x minus 1 and cube, you will first do vertical dilation by replacing everything by selective. That is replacing the whole thing, that is y, by its negative part, followed by adding minus 4 to the entire output. That is the vertical translation by minus 4 unit. And the final result is g of x. This is a standard order. If you want to do non-standard order in the vertical transformation, you could have done, start from h of x, as before. You would first do the vertical translation. That is by adding +4 to the whole output, followed by vertical dilation of -1 on the whole thing from the previous step. That would, of course, give you the same output as g of x as before. Given all these, the standard order of transformation of a parent function is summarized here. Given f of x, you started with the horizontal dilation of factor of 1 over b, followed by horizontal translation of h. Then you do the vertical dilation by a factor of a, followed by a vertical translation of unit k. This requires that you are able to write any transformed function in this transformation format, just as we illustrated in the previous example.